HM 3 kV hybrid inverter, and 3.5 kV hybrid inverter, 5 kV mppt inverter, and hybrid inverter 5.5 kilowatts. This is a multifunctional inverter charger that combines the functions of an inverter, ABR, solar charger, and battery charger. Features: pure sine wave inverter, user configurable and easy accessible button operation, such as battery charging current, AC, solar charger priority, and acceptable input voltage based on different applications. The system configures quickly to the compact, wall-mounted system,